Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a requested video and I cannot be more excited. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the makeup for beginners. Thank you so much Sriya, Momitadi and Shatidi for requesting. I will try to explain as much as I can. So stay with me till the end, and also I'm going to share another makeup tutorial sometime in this week. So guys, do you know what color is in trend now? Yep, you guessed it right. Peach is back. You must have at least one peach in this festival. We are right in the middle of the festivals. Durga Puja, Navratri, Diwali, everything is almost here. So make sure to subscribe so that you can catch up my upcoming videos and be my Doers family. Now that everything has been said, let's get started. So you want to start on your clean face. I cleaned my face and now I'm gonna prime my face with flour. You can use any primer you want, but you should definitely apply one. Otherwise your makeup wouldn't look natural and it will drip or crease after some time. You should always cover your face and neck. Then I'm gonna apply Magic by PRESCRIPTIVES. It's just an illuminating liquid. It's optional. I chose to apply because I wanted some bling for my festive makeup. After that, I'm gonna take highlighter stick from Hard Candy and draw the outline of my brows. At this point, it will look a little lighter, so I'm gonna blend it with my damp beauty blender. Now I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild 627A medium brown brow pencil and brush my brows in place. Then I'm gonna take the pencil part and draw the brows carefully. We need to be really gentle at this stage because one harsh line can make your makeup look very fake and unnatural. So be extra gentle and take your time. Then I'm gonna fill the gaps with COVERGIRL Easy Breezy Brow Fill Powder. Then I'm gonna seal the deal with a transparent brow mascara. I'm using e.l.f. today. To make the outline even more prominent, I'm gonna apply a concealer from Wet n Wild and repeat the step. The shade is almost like my skin tone and that is important. I'm also gonna cover up my eyelids. Then I'm gonna blend them nicely with my damp beauty blender. Always set the concealer with powder. I'm gonna dab my brush a little and then just dust the translucent powder on my eyelids and around the brows. Before applying the eyeshadows, let's learn about the names for our convenience. Now I'm going to take this matte brown beige kind of color and apply just under my brow bone area. This shade is a little darker than my original skin tone. Then I'm going to take this matte pinkish brown color and apply between brow bone and above crease area. I'm going to blend them in circular motion. After that, I'm going to take this matte brown color and blend a little lower than the previous one. But all the colors should be blended nicely so that the transition looks smooth. The depth is already visible. If you compare it with the other eye, you can see the difference. Now I'm gonna take this matte warm brown color and mostly blend on my deep crease area. And then eventually blend on my above crease area. Finally, I'm gonna take this charcoal color and start right from my outer V area to give it a dimension, and then eventually blend on my deep and above crease area. Once I'm done, I'm gonna take this lightest concealer from Napoleon Perdis and cut my crease carefully. I'm gonna start from my inner lid and continue till the mid lid, then I will just stop. You can see that I didn't start from my tear duct, I actually start from where my eye starts. if that makes sense. Now there is a harsh line between my concealer and the eyeshadow, so make it look smoother. I'm gonna apply this matte red shade from 3rd edition 120 palette bhCosmetic, and I will be blending just on top of the line where the two colors met. Then I'm gonna take this peach shimmery color and tap with my fingertip just on top of my inner and middle lids. Then I will be using this pink shimmery shade and tap right over my mid lid. It will give the illusion of 3D effect. Then I will be using this Magic Dust Silver shade from MAC Qween Supreme and highlight above the upper lash and around mid lid area. After that, I'm going to take this light shimmery champagne color and highlight on my brow bone area and tear duct area. To clean up the rough edges, I'm going to dip a Q-tip in makeup remover and just wipe off the extra makeup. For color correcting, I will be using Revlon Photo Ready Color Correcting Pen number 030. It has a nice peach color. If you have a skin tone like mine, then you can use any orange lipstick you have. That goes perfect with the dark circle. I went with this peach color today because luckily I didn't get dark circle today, which is a rare occasion. You need to apply on all of your dull spots and blend it with a wet sponge. After that, just dust some translucent powder on it and seal it. Now I'm going to take this Neutrogena foundation, which is Nude 40, and dab and blend all over my face and neck with my favorite beauty blender. After that, I will be highlighting and contouring my face with the same hard candy stick. My face is more like roundish, or you can say heart shaped, I guess. So I am using two different techniques together. You can find the different techniques of contouring and highlighting here for different shapes, or you can just follow one general rule which I normally follow when I don't have much time. Now I'm gonna just blend everything with my beauty sponge. Always seal everything with powder. This will make your makeup long lasting. Then I'm gonna take this green eyeshadow from Smashbox and draw on my lower lash line. Then I'll be using this shimmery green shade and cover my inner lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this light shimmery champagne color, highlight my tear duct areas. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this coral pink color from PROfUSION Vanity and apply on my apple cheeks. I would say a little higher than the apple cheeks. That definitely makes a big difference. You look younger and fresher. Then I'm going to powder contour my face with COVERGIRL TRUblend 6 and trying to contour on right under my zygomatic bone. Too technical. Sorry, I'm a biomedical engineer, so sometimes it's just not in my control. I was talking about the one in the green. I don't know the common name of this bone, but you can feel it if you press. I just like to dust a little blush on the tip of my nose. Again, that will make you look fresh. Now I'm going to take this curler and curl my lashes before applying mascara. Today I will be using Maybelline 111 Very Black Waterproof Mascara. It is important to invest on a waterproof mascara so that your makeup doesn't end up like this. Today I'm gonna wear these lashes from Napoleon Perdis, and you wanna apply the glue just on the edges. Then hold it like this and wait till it becomes partially dry. I intentionally applied the mascara in my lower lashes today, but you don't have to do that. You should apply on both upper and lower lashes. Now I'm gonna take this black gel eyeliner from COVERGIRL and apply gently on my upper lash line. I will just apply to cover up the gaps between my fake lashes, and I'll be also drawing a little wing and blend it nicely. Then I will be using this black charcoal color and cover my eyeliner to make it smudge proof. I'm almost done with my makeup. I'm gonna draw my lips with a red lip liner to get a nice outline. Make sure your lips look thicker in the middle and smaller at the corner. Otherwise your mouth will look too open. Then I will try to give the illusion that my lips are little filler without an injection. Then I'm gonna apply this 977 Passionate Pink from Loreal and cover my whole lips. To make my lips even more prominent, I will be using my highlighter to draw the outline. Then I'm gonna blend it. Finally, I'm gonna take Mary Love Manizer from the Manizer Sisters and highlight my face. Here is the trick. After applying the highlighter with a brush, you need to dab with the tip of your finger to make it look more natural. Then I'm gonna apply Maybelline MasterfX Setting Spray all over my face. You need to be very generous while spraying because you want your makeup to last long. Then to finish off the look, I'm gonna wear a bindi. Hope you guys learned something new from this video. If you wanna know more trending colors for this upcoming festivals, then be my Doers family by clicking the bell icon and keep watching my channel. And if you like this video, which I really hope, then please give me a big thumbs up. The earrings are from a set my mom bought from India, and the sari was designed and made by me. If you wanna know how I design and make all my dresses and saris, then comment below. I will be showing you guys in my next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful Durga Puja, Navratri, Diwali and many more, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.